Okay, I was asked to raid with teams that don't have quite so many 5 stars in them, so I took all unemblemed heroes. Sartana, Regard, Gravemaker, Bold Tusk. A lot of people have those. Some people have Panther, some don't. I know some people don't have Gravemaker too, but this is just team power of 3,800 or almost 3,900, going against a 4,157 team power Guinevere, Z line. This is very you see this a lot in war. So I went to the 3-2, the 3 purples against Guinevere, the 2 reds against Z line. So let's see what happens. Okay, starting off, I got some reds there down at the bottom. I got some purples, or I should say reds at the top, purple at the bottom, however you're looking at the board. I will do the 2 purples. That'll get the yellows out of there as well. And give me one more purple, one more red. Not too much, but I think I'll do the reds over on the side. I mean, they'll hit Marjana, not do much damage, but they will give me Gravemaker halfway there. Okay, I could have done the yellows again, but on this one here, I was trying to stay away from um, Guinevere as much as possible. I'm not really going to be able to do that anymore, so I'm actually going to just have the greens on the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to push those down, and hopefully I'll get lucky with either a red or a purple. Okay, I got the purples, which is nice. 2 sets of purples. That's really nice. I'm gonna go right into the center with Panther because she gets 3. So I'm gonna bring the defense down there, and then I'm gonna use Sartana on Guinevere to get her out of there, which is nice. Now what I'll do is it may set Z-line off, which kind of would be a shame, but I'm going to move the yellows up, and that's going to bring the reds down so I can kill Z-line at least the next trip down there. That was, again, it was a little unlucky that the greens went. If the greens didn't go, I would have killed her without any defensive down whatsoever. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kill her just straight away because as you can see that will have the blues go down to make a match, and it'll split the purples if you see on the bottom of the board near my heroes. So maybe I'll get lucky and I'll get a purple in there as well. Okay, rather than just swapping the other purple and the red and then I ghost one and I hit Kiana with 1 tile. So let's see how this goes. Okay, didn't really get anything there. Again, I got Gravemaker going. Usually I would go on the left side with this, but um, I'd rather hit 2, quite honestly. So I'm going to send Gravemaker over there on the right side. And I'm going to throw these purples. Maybe I'll get a red. I did. Now this is going to hurt. That was very unlucky because, Regard was just going to cleanse and cure everybody. But that's okay. It is what it is. That's what happens, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to kind of ghost the reds where Z line used to be because um, I want to charge up Gravemaker again, and I want to get Bold Tusk going. Again, pretty unlucky with hitting Kiona twice there, but at least I'll be able to heal up who I do have left. And again, I'm going to go over on the right side again because Gravemaker will hit 2. It won't be enough to kill Marjana, but I'm actually going to, make this dragon here just to get some things out of the way. Okay, so it's red on red. That certainly hurt a lot. Now Marjan is down pretty far, so I am going to send Gravemaker over to Alassi. And we'll do that. And just to get some tiles out of the way, I'm going to bring the blue up with the yellow. That's going to, pop the dragon. It won't touch Marjana. Well, the green tile will, but that'll kind of bring the red dragon down and some purples down as well, just so hopefully I can get some decent matchups. Didn't really work out, but that's okay. Um, let's see. What I'll do now is I'll swap the red dragon with the purple, and the reason I'm going to do that is I want to bring the purples down. I want Sartana to go off and hopefully kill Alassi. Sorry, I hope I didn't go too fast there. Oh, a little bit unlucky again with Gravemaker dying, but that's okay. And there you go. So again, play the board smart, bring the 2 healers, and you know, you can beat anybody. Okay, have a good night.